guys, welcome back to Lana. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Mainstay heated blanket not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you exactly fix your Mainstay heated blanket here? Well, if it's not working, what you could do here is we need to do a few things. So first is you want to check the power connection. So make sure the blanket is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. So maybe try a different outlet to rule out any electrical issues with the current one. Next is you want to maybe inspect the controller. Now, you want to go ahead and check if the control is properly connected to both the blanket and the wall outlet. Look for any visible damage to your controller or the power cord and see if there are any damages in between them. Next is you want to check for error messages or indicator lights here. So some Mainstays blanket have lights or error messages on the controller, so refer to the user manual to understand what those indicators mean and how to resolve them. And again, you want to inspect for physical damage here. So examine the blanket for burns, exposed wires, or tears, and if you find any damages here, stop using the blanket immediately for safety reason. And finally, what you could do here is to maybe try resetting the blanket. So in this case, you want to unplug the blanket from the outlet and wait for around 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, plug it back in, turn it on, and test its functionality. And that's about it. Now, if none of those actually work, it's best to contact customer support for this one. They will be able to give you further details and further instructions on what you could do, or maybe get you connected with a technician. So hopefully that they could fix your blanket. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.